Yo, what's up, YouTube?
Yo.
I ain't gonna lie. Alright, so like, this is a weird way to start off the video, you feel me? We already in the car, but we finna go to a car meet, you feel me? Saturday night. Got him behind me, Fox Body, and then I got my boy back there in the 5.7. Feel me? So like, you feel me? We just finna go pick somebody up right quick, and then, you feel me? I'll get back with y'all though. Right, so I ain't gonna lie. We back, bro. And like, this like, low-key the meetup spot to go into the Grunt. So we got my car right there, fought by, yeah, 5.7. So, yeah, everybody ain't here yet, so I'm gonna get back to y'all when everybody get here. Probably so.
That bit too. I want one. 5.7. We got a couple hitters out there.
Bro, that's, what you call it, bro? He talking about. Bro, that's old dude, bro. His shit look. I did tell him to roll the car, bro. Alright, so this the lineup. We got Toyota Camry, feel me, modded. We go RT, we go Mustang, we go 5.7. Yeah, look, you finna get alright, bet. And we go 5 body, and we go my car right here. Yeah. Yeah. Bet. Hey, we're going to take the gas up. Bet. Bet. Hey, y'all stay in the line. Stay in the line. Oh my God.
I love this shit, boy.
Yeah. Come on, twin.
Oh, I wish.
Y'all boys up with the video yet, man, so you feel me? Go ahead and record for y'all. flashing their lights. Oh, you know what they did? Jeff no turned off right here. So they, yeah, they turned off like way before we got back right there. So they, yeah, I saw when they turned. Bro, this nigga always eating snacks, bro. What's up?
I'm thinking the police behind me.
You said what?
What they doing?
One of y'all
What the fuck?
What is it?
So, blah, 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 blah. That gorilla come out.
Got his ass, nigga. Jeff trying to get me. No.
Yeah, bro, we pushing up now. We so deep. We like 1, 2.
We 7 cars deep.
See, about 7 cars deep. Oh, shit, kid. That Terra, no, check that. Is it Quick Trip gas station over there by?
Alright, y'all, so we cruising to the meetup spot. We going to QT, bro. So, yeah, bro. Yeah, nice little cruise, bro. Nice little cruise, man. Feel me, everybody up there. We got one more behind me. Alright, bro. We finna pull up, y'all. Someone's just gonna head start recording, feel me? He tried to slide that bit. Yeah, we lit. Finna pull up to QT. He almost hit my shit.
Speed. Jameson there.
Waiting on this spot. I got a year waiting on this spot. Alright, y'all boys, so we finna pull up to the meet. Feel me? It's a couple for there already. I'm stuttering, bro. Hey, look, I don't know why I'm stuttering, but like after we leave from here, then we gonna go to Lagoon, bro. We gonna get some runs in. I'm not running, they running. And yeah, I'm gonna just give y'all some content, man. I'm gonna drop my video in a minute, so hey, I should have recorded last time, bro, but they wasn't going through my head. Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, shout it.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna get to y'all when the light turn green, bro. Bet, bro.
Wet, nigga. Wet. My nigga trying to dress to impress, bro. Just pull up, bro. Like, we need fucking.
Got a little cat. Oh my god, bro, this cat is so tough. Bitch, go! The fuck? Ugly ass bitch. Pink slip? Nah, I ain't doing no pink slip. Bet, y'all. So we made it to the spot. I got that yank with me at the spot. Hold on. Hold on. Bet. Hold on. So I'm gonna just go around and meet for y'all, bro. So this is second. Like this is the second weekend. We got Zach. 5-0. We got him right here. That's right. And then you got these two twins right here. Shit. Yeah, shit. You got my car. They're just in the parking lot. Little Fox. 300. I don't know what this is. D-badged. Another 300. Say route. Cat. Oh my god. What's up, bro? Little cat. Yes, sir. Yeah. Got the kid. K5. Out here.
God damn.
Some old car down now. Yeah. Ugh. But yeah, man. We're gonna be deeper than this. Such a way. Yeah. Man, where y'all boy was at, man?
Hey, Zach, I don't appreciate how you beat me coming through.
Oh, God, bro.
That shit hit my feet.
All that shit.
Hey, man, I do 10 speed bad, man. 10 speed bad, watch out.
Shut up.
I ain't trying to kiss everything. I ain't gonna burn gas like that. I ain't burn no gas, though.
Cool,
I'll burn
dude.
the fuck out of you.
Alright, yeah, we heading to the spot right now, bro. Man, last two hate. I ain't gonna lie. I'm putting the camera down. I'm gonna just come back to y'all. You feel me? When we get to the spot.
That's a V6? Why is shit so quiet?
But look, this our line, bro. Look, we like, yo, like the line is crazy, bro. Then we got more people behind us, twin. Like, line is crazy though, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Shit's a movie, bro. For real. Shit is open legend. Alright, y'all. So we pulling up to the meet right now. Hold on. Oh, the line is hella long, bro. Oh, somebody's spinning. Wait, this the meet up spot, so we gotta look long. Stinger. I'm parked by my nigga. That's not my number. Pop by the Hellcat, pop by the Hellcat, pop by the Hellcat. Big body Drizzy. Big Drisky. Oh shit. Who is that?
Jeff on.
Jeff Owen. Look, he.
What it is? This truck. Baby, girl, I'm sorry. I got
Come on, take it out. Bet. So we made it to the spot, y'all. We parked by a big bike. Yeah. 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 Alright, so yeah, I don't know who that is. Guys that. But yeah, wait, around 11 to 12, these gonna be swinging. Hold on, yeah. Hold on. Huh? Yeah, they so like. Hold on, I'm gonna tell you. Hold on. Yeah, they are. Yeah.
Baby, girl, I'm sorry. I got it.
Yeah. I got it.
No,
Sure,
no.
no.
Dog coming though?
Got a little 5 right here, a little 10 speed. I ain't gonna lie. That's an RS. So you already know who finna win. Yeah, I got right. Yes, sir. Let's go on with it.
Hey, just send me the video.
Yeah, I got you.
he calling out all 5-7. He said he calling out anybody. Mustang.
Wait.
Anybody been in the race?
What race?
I want to shit whoever race. Anybody been?
It's my been with the 10-speed, bro.
No, I'm saying like.
Who you been with?
Nah, I'm not been. I'm trying to see
Oh,
if
shit.
anybody.
I thought
Y'all
you
gonna
been.
bet.
What you in?
Shit, I ain't gonna lie. I just got into an accident.
Yeah, he just put that call.
So I can't even. That's the police, bro. No, this but nothing to do with it. No, we got this shit. No, I ain't gonna lie. We got this shit, bro. We got this shit so we know like police coming. We can go and tell y'all so we can go and leave.
Oh, okay.
Come on. That's the only reason why we got this big shit. His ass all the way down
Yeah,
there.
don't forget on
Telling them, like,
talk to the police.
They're down there right now. Block all exits off. That is it.
Nah, hell nah.
Arrest them all.
I ain't buying that shit. I got like both mofo. They all knew. He know what I said. There ain't nothing wrong with it though. It's straight though. That's the lightest lifestyle. You wanna lie? I get it. Yeah, come on. I showed you that. I probably in Genesis. I tell you.
I got bigger fingers.
God damn!
Yeah.
Fuck!
Don't that fire. That fire you can like.
Man.
He get.
No.
All-wheel drive.
Yeah, I ain't right there. No.
You keep talking, man. And you shut the fuck up.
Help! No, y'all got tonight, man.
Help me!
Get your fat ass up and go do something. Work out or something, fat ass.
No.
Oh, man, you were talking out there the line. Now I'm here. You scared.
Oh, no, I was. No, I ain't saying that.
You was scared. I try one of these light air Mustangs. I just want to run somebody.
Is that?
With my partner, who he calling out? Oh, now, partner.
I ain't hold on, where's Jamal at?
What a video.
Hold on.
What a video. That's the one that was at the track. Ain't had that one rolling back that bitch. Did that bitch just
He gonna roll in it, cause I ain't like your hoe. I wasn't getting nobody.
Man.
I wasn't getting nobody. But when I get somebody, you know I ain't gonna lunch at no damn 1200.
Go ahead and take the hit line up.
We get raised for free.
It ain't no man.
I'm just gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna tell you straight up. I wouldn't take it here. I sit me back too.
Still, when you leave, nigga, you still, it's still a rent that
Okay, I tell you what. I tell you what. I'll give you the hit.
drunk beside me,
I give you the hit, but the hit gonna be worse than that. So when you leave, I'm gonna leave right off. When you leave, oh, you the one that called me then. Oh, I'm gonna tell your ass. You get what the fuck you want. Because you call me talking shit, but I was just chilling with my grandbaby.
He called you.
No, you told him to call me. talking shit. I ain't getting the car in here. You get 2 cars or you get the hit. That's it.
2 cars, I'm like, you still written the time.
It don't matter at the hit, I'm gonna be crashing.
Bro, y'all don't understand.
I tell you what, I do something different. I'm just gonna try something. I sit back 2.5.
Charlie May.
OG talking that shit. OG talking that motherfucking shit. Get ready, cause that OG talking that shit.
He talking that big boy talk. Yeah.
Shit that bro.
All that burning out from there, just burning out.
Who y'all got, man? Comment down below. Oh, look, we got another group pulling up. Got another little group pulling up. Yeah.
Oh my God, dog. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
It's over. It's over. He said 4 cars. A school bus, you won right there.
To the school bus came in here. We putting all that. Kids that got embarrassed. I know he probably want to go home after this.
Oh yeah, for sure. I ain't gonna lie, he was playing with his ass though. He was playing with his ass. He was playing with Ken. Playing with Ken.
He ain't had no business playing. He lost.
Get off. It's low right there. Them 2 cars didn't do shit. He jumped the fuck.
He said he was going to the cars ain't mean shit yet.
He said he was gonna jump that bitch. Oh God, he said he was gonna jump that bitch.
I got 2 trucks that's running around, and then he finna do a test hit. So yeah. 2 trucks, man. But this how the spot. I got that airway on me at the spot. Airway on me at the spot. I got that airway on me at the spot. Feel me? Kia GT. Yeah, feel me? I'm at Kia Stinger.
Yeah.
Who trying to put money? Who trying to put money? Who trying to put money? I put 20 on, I put 20 on, I put a 20.
Who that is in that 1500 over there?
They no 1500, they both 250. They both 250.
I'm talking about that car, that truck over there. That truck right there. That's two. The one on the right.
One on the right. The bubble lock?
The blue? Yeah.
The darker one or the gray one?
Whichever one on the right. What it is?
Huh? 48.
Huh?
Don't make me expose you. Got your Red Bull?
Yeah, it's on the back of that Mustang. Okay.
Big ass up.
Yeah, that nigga big, man. For real. Like, he tell me he want to do shit. By my soul, like, shit. That's still.
That bitch.
But he is too scared. Hey, that would not give he blew all that damn code.
Hell no, bro.
That nigga had blue code that is.
I got a V8 Lexus.
Shit, no.
I bet you don't run my partner hitting jeans.
No.
Nah. I ain't running that tonight.
My shit slow, I'm gonna be honest. But I want to race that, whatever that is.
That's a
Toyota.
Toyota Camry.
That's fine. Lexus made by Toyota.
Y'all got the same one.
That's a bit.
He got
Someone run it
160
up.
on.
Huh?
He got 160 on.
160?
Yeah.
I got 162.
Oh yeah, y'all on the same thing.
I'm stopped.
Oh yeah, we got the wheels that shit. Yeah. Somebody go down there. Somebody call. Yeah. Somebody call. What you got?
Lexus, LS500, 94. Stan took the car to scan his car. No money.
I do.
For fun. I'm slow. You might win. You most likely gonna win.
I'm slow too.
You gonna win.
Hell no. What's good?
You gonna win.
Yeah, we do it though.
I wanna do it for fun. Park it next to my car. I'm just waiting for these trucks to come back. I ain't trying to hit that motherfucker. I'm over there, next to the truck.
Showing you some about fam. 12 shit. So Cub got that bit souped up.
You got that big.
I'm definitely. But that nigga got 220 turbo on his shit. Let nobody know. He don't want to let nobody drive it.
I'm about to lose.
Then he got a Nissan Altima with a GTR motor.
They came back there with
Alright, bro. I don't know why I've been talking the whole vlog. I just been. She's like, oh my god, he can't get the Hellcat. Are they finna run?
They finna run?
Child.
do it in the Hellcat, so he ain't racing.
I got that yeah one in there mid spot.
They finna race again?
Bro, these trucks. These trucks. Bro. Huh? What up, bro? What's up?
What's up, guys?
What's up?
Y'all got me on record?
Yeah, you're definitely on record, bro.
What y'all think the next location is? And how y'all think that second G in charge movie? Did y'all get that on video? Yeah. I got everything.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we got it, bro.
I don't even want to talk about it no more.
Hold on, how many cars?
Bro.
Did you? How many cars? Cool, about 3 then.
It was about 2.5.
It was over 2.5. No, it was way up. Here, me, you made it.
Bro, look at these trucks, bro. Look at these guys. Oh my God, listen to this here, okay, yeah.
I tell you what. Everybody did what you do.
They do that shit, that shit, bro.
Try my hair.
Keeping up with us, you feel me?
Yeah.
I like the camera.
Yeah.
Who got lit?
Who you? I got Toyota.
You went with me at that.
I got camera. I got Toyota.
Yeah.
Hey, look.
Who you got, AK? You got Lex or Toyota?
Hey, I got that lit.
Lex.
Let's go do it. Let's go do it though. Let's go do it.
I got Toyota. I got Toyota. What they finna do, bro?
Who you better with?
What you wanna do? Let's bet. I got Toyota. I got a Toyota.
I got the camera.
I got a Toyota.
Bro, you last time, nigga. You know what's going on. I like the camera.
Me too.
What you? I got Toyota. 20 right now. 20?
10.
What his homeboy?
10. Yeah, 10. 15.
I don't know.
Who like the Lexus? I got 20.
Man, I got $1. I got $1.
I like the Lexus for 10, bro. You just gonna put $10 worth of gas in my car.
You just gonna give me cash.
Yeah, if I win. If you win.
Hold on, I got Toyota.
Bro,
Plate. Bet me. I got Toyota.
You got
I'm with
Toyota?
the Toyota.
I got Toyota.
You got a list.
No, I got Toyota.
I
For how
bet.
much?
Look. Take off.
For how
Let's
much?
do take off.
Take off.
For how much?
10. Yeah. So you got the Lexus. Give me a wait.
I just betted this man. I got the Lexus.
Okay, that's only $20.
We'll bet
Okay,
on.
then
We'll bet on the road.
A road?
Yeah. If they do a road, we'll bet on that.
Hold on, wait. I got Toyota.
I got the Lexus.
I got Toyota.
I got Toyota.
I'm letting you know now. My money ain't getting spent on it. I ain't spending my money on it. No, spend my money just to make y'all look good? No,
No, I got Toyota.
What you say? You got Lexus?
You got Lexus. I ain't got no honey.
Hey, the little quick little $10, you feel me?
Bet on that.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
I got 300.
Hell nah.
I got charges in, nigga. Let's do it.
You got charger?
Yeah.
I got challenge.
Challenge.
I got
10.
challenge 10. I got challenge. You scared?
I got challenge.
Hell nah, I ain't gonna lie. No. I got
three on
C.
the guy.
Look at my hand. Watch this dumb ass dog. There you go.
Goddamn, see, on I got 300. I got three on the challenges. No. I got 3 on the challenges. No, I ain't
Hey, I'll bet it. I got 3. I got my.
my motherfucker.
I'll
blood.
pay
I'll
you.
punch him.
Let bet. I got 10.
No.
I got 10 on something.
No, you
Me and you.
already got it.
They come back. Bet. I got Lex. Camry.
Yeah, is that it?
Better on bikes. Hold on, who you got?
Challenge.
I got 300.
300. Bet me 5. Let's bet 5. I got 300.
I got 300. They be assigned.
You got 300.
I got 300.
I got Charlie. $5. 5.
What you got? You got $5. You already shook? No, my hand was
We done.
If I knew I was going to be doing that, I would have brought my cash up. I got some cash.
We can do cash out.
We bet cash
I
out
got
too.
too much on cash up. That's what I'm saying. I still got to eat.
Oh yeah.
I maybe got 25 on it.
Oh yeah, that was locked in.
I was fat. That big float. Yeah, that big.
Bro, why did this RS keep trying this fucking 10 speed, bro?
That RS gonna, he must keep on using it.
But I don't know, bro. What's going through his head? Ain't gonna lie, his shit, ain't gonna lie. Like, yeah. Can't hang. You can't hang with the gang. Nigga.
Oh shit, bro. Look at this dude.
So that was you hitting in the club. That was you hitting in the club.
You ain't get no hoes with that hit. Then nigga.
We got two, man.
We ain't going to no club. So old.
Tripping. Look how old I look.
Yo, you right as hell.
I'm trying to get behind a fat bitch.
Yeah.
Everything you say. Fat bitch in the club tonight. Throw that ass, man.
Yeah, petite.
I know it. Look how I look. About 20 south.
Shit, add 20 more.
He said add 20 more.
What the fuck? What the fuck, dude?
This last clip, you got to that hole. I could not record.
I got you. Oh my god.
So bad. Oh, that bitch gonna get off. Look at the tail and be in that bitch.
What the fuck?
That's what we doing?
What the fuck? 360 cam? These took his fuck. Damn. Bro, what the hell are you doing, bro?
I was in there, B, didn't I just hotboxed your shit.
No, you didn't.
You hear me?
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
He's got a gap down. He's got a gap down.
He got it.
Carpet fireman. Yo, excuse me.
He got a camera. He got a camera back there.
What?
Ratings. Oh my god. This bitch getting nasty.
Holy fuck.
Give her like, it's like bunny hopping.
I got the yet wearing it.
It's scary. Yeah. It happened right over there.
Fucking bunkers. Wait till I get my shit though. Oh, he's in a fat tire. Oh, he's in a fat tire. Dude, they're on the fat tires. Holy shit, dude. Alright, bro.
You saw that bitch?
Yeah, that 3.3. Oh my, look at this, bro. This is so hard.
I did not see this.
Oh my.
Did you really go? Okay.
Who came? Did one of y'all come out again?
Damn. Hey, I'm telling you, watch it. They finna go crazy, bro. Like, they literally come take over the whole meet, bro. Alright, bro. So we just had the bikes pull up to the meet.
Y'all must be vlogging, my boy.
Yeah.
Y'all must be vlogging.
Yes, sir.
The YouTube, my boy?
Huh?
Let me
Oh.
log in with the YouTube.
Bet, bro. Go subscribe, bro. Hold on.
I got you. I do editing.
You do editing? For real? I
I
edit
have a
too.
YouTube video myself.
For real?
What's that shit?
1, the number 1.
Uh-huh.
SLW
SLW.
G70. Right there, right there.
That's you?
Yeah, yes, sir. That's me.
That's
Yeah.
a bet.
Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah. I do editing. Let me know, bro. I got a YouTube video myself. It's the same thing?
Oh, no. It's JAY
J-A-Y.
HAV
H-A-V.
INN. Right there.
This one.
Yeah. Go through, yeah. I edit on there too, bro.
That's a bet, bro. Just if you want any edits, let me know.
Yeah, I got you, bro.
I got you, bro.
For sure.
Alright, then, I'll give you, bro.
Nice meeting you too, bro.
And I like this retro. This bitch cool.
Yeah. Bro, the later it gets, bro, the deeper it gets, bro. His shit shoot flames. Look at Kevin Cockling. Them boy got the Raptors out.
Nah, niggas OD in the night. On my phone, I'm 1%. That's what my shit lagging.
We got a TTRS. I think he's gonna do a test it. So, or RSTT, whatever it is. I think that's how it goes. that truck.
Getting deep, bro.
Oh yeah.
That bitch sound good.
Oh my.
Trying to get a lot of
Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna send it to you. Are you littering, bro? Are you littering? Are you littering? Yo.
Stop 5-0.
Man, run him, man.
Come on. Man, I brought them man for silver. I done hit big. You got this motherfucker right here sitting pretty. You got this motherfucker over here. Come on, man. That bitch always driving on. I'm not either. I'm gonna spin like a motherfucker. We do it. You wanna do it on the money? No. Fuck. Hell no.
He done came and got his head immediately. No money, bro.
I know that shit. No. Hey, bro, you a smart friend, bro. You a smart friend. Man, keep that nigga in your corner.
No hesitation.
We doing fine, though, bro. We doing fine.
What y'all doing to dig?
You want to bet on the side?
Dig going down, roll coming back.
You want to bet on the side? You do want to bet?
Dig going down, road coming back?
Yeah, dig
Side,
going
bet
down.
with my brother. You do roll down.
You know, we bet. You chose last week.
It's time.
No, I chose last week. You chose this week. Whatever you want to bet. These your people. I'm betting with my brother like always. What you want to bet? No, I'm betting on the side.
Wait.
Why you want to rent the all-wheel drive thing?
So, new one real?
Yeah.
He don't want to get down. Man,
And Keith said he wanted to do one race.
He ain't got to do
Man, where your car at, man? You talk a little too crazy.
I'm betting. I'm on the side.
You stay where you at. You stay on the sideline, nigga. I want to talk to your homeboy, though.
Stop. You stop for real? Fuck no. I answer that question. That damn car ain't stop, bro.
I don't even know that bit little like
Just race fun.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
In the Durango. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. How much you bet? Let's put 100 in.
We gonna do him first.
Oh, wait, you
do him first.
Go ahead, get the car.
You got it.
We do him first like my son say. He drive. I do every last one of y'all like him.
Wait.
What a tow crew.
Hey, really will though. OG really will though. Especially from a dig. Hey, OG got a little bit. I know from we did earlier. But I'll tell you, bro, that bitch is flying down. Hey, but from a road though, OG better see that. I'm just saying.
See, let go.
No rolling with
Yeah, I heard. Y'all talk big shit. Got that bitch running. Old man talk a lot of shit though. Old man talk a lot of shit though. That ain't all right. Old man talk a lot of shit though. I know.
Shit.
So we've been at this meet for a pretty long time, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Then we got some action. You know, we got a few races going. Oh, look, he pulling up in the trailer. But yeah, bro, I ain't gonna lie. This video is gonna be pretty long, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
I guess I'm talented. Hit him with the southern eyes, different than a